guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo and I am so excited to be back on your screens right now. I am buzzing with excitement, and if this is your first time here, do the right thing, like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And if this is not your first time here, I want to thank you so much for your love and your support. Now, the reason why I'm super excited today is because it's my first time installing a synthetic wig. Okay, right? Ciao. The hair is popping, the hair is giving. Okay, the hair is giving. Photo shoot, pose, pose, pose. Who's ready to sign me? Like, if you know anyone that you know who needs a model, who needs, I'm here. Okay, because this hair is giving. It's ciao. Can you ever? Can you ever? Now let me be honest with you guys, because you guys, I love you guys so much, and there's no way I'm not gonna be honest with you. Now this hair does get tangled up, and that's the reason why I ended up doing this type of thing here, this ponytail type of thing, because I was like, I'm not gonna be looking all elegante and my hair is tangled up. I was like, child, there's no way, like there's no ways. But anyways, so I was like, let me just do this. Let me just do it like this, and it's giving, it's popping, it looks beautiful, child. But anyways, I'm doing too much right now. Okay, hey you guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and bear with me. This is like I think it's like my fourth time doing an installation on camera, so I'm not really that great. But one thing I want to just let you guys know, so what happened was I did the hair installation last night. Now I'm gonna be honest again, the reason why I decided to do it at night right before bed was because I wasn't sure how it was going to look. So I didn't want to install a synthetic wig for the first time, and it just happens that it doesn't look good. So yesterday I took it out, I installed it because I wanted to see what it looks like, and I was like, okay, it's giving. So I was like, okay, you know what, tomorrow I'm gonna do my hair, my makeup, and do the intro. And yeah, so that's why you're gonna see me wearing something different. I think I'm wearing, like, in this video, I think I'm wearing like 3 outfits because I was like just trying to show you guys the hair. But anyways, I hope you do enjoy this video, and yeah. So this hair is from Hair Fortress. It's a 26-inch wig. The name of the wig is Miss Slick. So the wig comes with 2 wig caps and a hairband and a thank you card inside. I'm sorry I couldn't show you. I didn't see that my camera wasn't recording last night. Just put my foundation to make sure that all right. So you guys, I wish I wasn't wearing a jacket, but there's no way. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. So I'm gonna have to cut it on the sides. Guys, I'm just gonna go with my gut feeling and just put it on top. I forgot when I was watching those videos. When I'm on my own, I don't care how I do my hair or how I install my hair, but because I'm doing it for you guys and I'm on screen, like, I don't want to mess up, or I don't want to do something that I'm not supposed to be doing, then you'll come for me. Okay, so okay. So, okay. Okay. I don't want it to get too control. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Please don't mind my headband, okay? Please, I'm begging you, don't mind it. The only issue is just that the hair gets tangled up, but she is the girl that she thinks she is. Okay, child. Look at that. Baby, you cannot tell me otherwise. You cannot tell me otherwise. I'm gonna take up the hairband. Oh, child. Baby, you cannot tell me otherwise about this hair. You cannot at all. Bro, a synthetic wig, a whole synthetic wig. Some of the foundation that I used earlier, so I can just look at that huge difference. So I can just I literally don't even have to put on makeup to show you how bomb this hair is. Like, it's everything. It's giving, child. Look at that. Look at that. You cannot. There's no way. There is no way. She really is the girl she thinks she is. Look at that. Look at that. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I have no idea what you're doing. Subscribe to my channel right now, okay? Right now, period. Like this video, comment down below, and go follow me on Instagram. You know, I'm gonna see you on the next one.